Hey guys, I'm just going to show you a little tutorial on how to disable your spell checker so that we can try to do this spelling test on Google Forms. Now you'll notice that right here I have misspelled a word and it's got that little red line underneath it. So what we can do is we can go up into settings, and for me I'm using the Chrome browser. So I go over to where the three dots are and I click on that, and then I go down into settings, and that for me that opens up a new tab. And then up here in the search settings I can just start typing in, and I just kind of hit spell. And then when I get into language, which is right here, it's a little bit down the screen rather, there's the spell check button, and so I turn that slider off, and then I can close down that spell setting, and then you'll notice that the misspelled word, the underlining has gone away. So I'm hoping that we can keep this honest and fair, and that you decide to turn it off. I can't obviously make you, but I'm hoping that you're honest about this. And so then when you type in a word, if it's misspelled, then you won't get an alert that it's misspelled. And so that's it. That's how to disable that, and then hopefully we can do this pretty fairly. So that's all. Yep.